Okay guys, on our last trip into the Ouachita National Forest, as we were going along Poteau Mountain Overlook Road, we ended up having a really sharp rock pierce our rear tire. And if I could have got it plugged, I think we could have drove out without putting the spare on. But as I was trying to plug it, I broke the teeth off of this tool here that installs the plug. So I couldn't finish plugging it, and you know, it was a pretty big gash, and it would have just been good enough probably to got us home. I am going to have to replace that tire because of the size of the hole, and it also kind of slid it. So, you know, that's neither here nor there. But I decided to go ahead and buy a heavier duty kit to have with us at all times. And it comes with all these extra parts, a bunch of plugs, but the main thing is these handles are really heavy. And I'm going to go ahead and throw a couple, probably two more handles other than these in, just in case I break them again, because I never thought I'd break one, but I did. So now I have this kit, and I've got another kit that I'm going to throw the extra handles in, and we should be good to go as far as plugging tires. You know, most times if you can get a plug, two plugs, you know, however many plugs it takes to hold air until you can get to a tire shop, or you can replace your tire, or, you know, if it's a single plug, I've run them for years and never really had much issue with them. But anyway, I did go ahead and get this kit, and it will be with us in the Jeep at all times. And it seems to be a pretty good kit. Anyway, y'all don't leave home without one. And don't forget your air compressor. Well guys, we're at Discount Tire fixing to get the new tire put on the Cherokee. There's the spare. The one I punctured's in the trunk. So when we get done here, I'm gonna go ahead and get a warranty to where if we puncture another one, it's not gonna cost as much. But they're busy, but they'll have it done soon. Okay, so we got the new tire on, and while I was there, I went ahead and purchased a protection plan for all the tires. So now, if any of them get punctured on our excursions down gravel roads, which hopefully they won't, I can take it in there, they'll repair it, and if they can't repair it, they'll replace the tire without it costing me anything. And like I said, I've been driving them roads for years with that truck, and I haven't had any issues with tires. So I figured with these tires, that protection plan might be a good idea. At least I can get some wear out of them. But anyway, we got them replaced, and we got some assurance that I won't be out a bunch of money the next time it happens, if it happens. So we're ready to roll.